Hello, ladies. I know you're trying your best to really show to this guy that you are amazing. I know you're trying to get his attention. You're trying to talk to him and to solve the problem. But this guy is kind of not receptive. He's not talking to you, not responding to you. He's not showing you any attention. It's because you're too nice. It's because you're giving him too much. So I want to talk to you about a very special program masterclass that will be live and free. It's a masterclass where I will teach you how to become the prize, how to make sure that this person will put you on a pedestal, how to be sure that you will get a better result, and of course, how to make sure that he will listen to you. So I know you have tried a lot of techniques, a lot of attitude, you want to be yourself, but nothing is working. What's wrong with this guy? He's just taking you for granted. He's just thinking that he can be in control. So if you want me to teach you how to become the prize in love, you have to get your free seat in the description box below. I will be able to assist you. I will be able to give you my best. And of course, you will be able to ask me your questions. So let me be your coach. Let me assist you. The link is in the description box below.